Hello children, welcome to EVS class. So today we are going to do the remaining topics of chapter 15, water in our lives. So let's start with the next topic, rain, natural source of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. It is welcomed by all of us after the hot summer season. Children love to play in the rain and also sail paper boats. Birds hide themselves among the branches of trees. The peacock is seen dancing in the rain. The surroundings look clean, fresh and green after a shower of rain. Rain हमारे वाटर का मेन सोर्सेज है अर्थ पे. बच्चों को बारिश में खेलना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बच्चे इस रेनी सीज़न को बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं. बच्चे नहीं, बड़े भी इस सीज़न को खूब इंजॉय करते हैं. सारा इन्वायरमेंट ही रेन के बाद क्लीन और फ्रेश हो जाता है. रेन वाटर फिल्स लेक्स, रिवर्स, सीज एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वाटर साइकिल. द वाटर साइकिल्स helps to maintain the amount of water on the earth. Water from rivers, lakes, ocean, etc. gets heated by the sun. The heat evaporates and changes water to water vapor. The water vapor rises high into the sky and changes back into water when it meets cool air. This is called condensation. Drops of water join together to form clouds. When the clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. Rainwater fills lakes, rivers, seas, etc. And this cycle continues in nature every time. The change of water to water vapor and back to water in nature is called water cycle. Children, when sun rays fall on the water, water get vaporized. Water vapor go up and they form clouds. So, this is called the water cycle. Next topic is shortage of water. Although the water cycle occurs in nature all the time, we often face water shortage. Many rain-fed rivers depend on rain and the amount of water in them depends on the amount of rainfall. Sometimes there is very heavy rainfall and at other times it rains less and some places have little or no rainfall. When lakes and rivers get less water is supplied to our homes. अगर रेन कम होगी तो रिवर्स और लेक्स में पानी बहुत कम होगा और फिर हमारे घरों में भी वाटर सप्लाई पर इसका इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. So both humans and natural reasons are responsible for water shortage. So man is responsible for water shortage in the following ways. First is rise in population increases the use of water causing water shortage. Trees, forests are being cut to construct roads, houses, etc. They help to bring rain and conserve water. This too result in water shortage because rainfall is affected. Water is being polluted, resulting in lesser water for usage. Tube wells and borewells are being dug everywhere, resulting in falling or flooring of water level under the ground. तो वाटर शॉर्टेज के बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं. फर्स्ट इज राइज इन पॉपुलेशन, नेक्स्ट कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, नेक्स्ट पोल्यूटेड वाटर by releasing factory waste, by throwing garbage, plastic bags, etc. in the river and lakes. Several human activities result in water pollution. So ये polluted water हम पीने में नहीं इनका यूज़ कर सकते. So इस इन रीज़न करके वाटर शॉर्टेज होती है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. वाटर टेक्स द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर. द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर दैट ए कंटेनर कैन होल्ड इज कॉल्ड इट्स वॉल्यूम. अ बकेट holds more water than a bottle, hence it has more volume. Bigger containers hold more water than small and narrow containers. The amount of water that a container can hold is measured in milliliters, liters and kiloliters. Yes children, can water be measured in gram? No. Water can be measured in milliliters, liters and kiloliters. Okay, the next topic is storage of water. We store water in our homes in buckets, bottles, cans, etc. It is important to keep the following points in mind. First is store water in clean containers. Cover the containers in which water is stored. The containers should be cleaned regularly. Do not put your hand into the containers to take out water. Use a ladle or a clean mug. In houses, water is stored in overhead tanks. It is important to get these tanks cleaned regularly. Water is precious and we should save every drop of it. So, read this chapter 2 times. Thank you.